Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a new address book in Outlook Office 365. This is incredibly useful for organizing your contacts into different categories, whether you're separating work clients from personal contacts or creating specific groups for different projects. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once you've launched the application, make sure you're logged into your account. This is essential because you need to load all your emails and account data before you can access the contact management features. Wait for everything to fully load so that all your existing contacts and folders are ready to view. Now that your email has loaded properly, we can move forward with creating your new address book. Navigate to the Contacts menu, which you'll find located at the bottom left part of your screen. This is where Outlook stores all your contact information and address books. Go ahead and click on Contacts to open up that section. Once your Contacts menu has opened, you'll notice that creating a new address book in Outlook is actually quite a straightforward process. Look over at the left side panel where all your existing address books are located. This panel shows you the organizational structure of your contacts. Now, right-click anywhere on this left side panel. A context menu will appear with several options for managing your contacts and folders. From that context menu, click on New Folder. This will trigger a new folder creation window to appear on your screen. This window is where you'll define the details of your new address book. Simply enter a desired name for your new address book in the text field provided. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for how you plan to organize these contacts, whether it's by department, project name, or any other category that suits your needs. After you've typed in your preferred name, click on OK to confirm. Your new address book will immediately be added to your left side panel right alongside your other contact folders. You can now start adding contacts to this new address book and keep everything organized exactly how you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new address book in Outlook Office 365, making it much easier to manage and categorize your contacts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.